Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewer. Today is 18 April 2025. UNESCO announced today World Heritage Day. So in Heritage, where what we are going to do, we are going to do our traditional food. So right now I'm in UAE, so I'm going to cook some Emirati cuisine. So today in Bulgari kitchen, I'm going to cook chicken marguga. So keep watching Bulgari kitchen. If you have not yet subscribed Bulgari kitchen, subscribe Bulgari kitchen, share to friend and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comment. Keep watch this very super duper recipe from United Arab Emirates. It's a traditional dish. This dish with chicken with some vegetables stew. We are going to cook in Bulgari kitchen today. So keep watching Bulgari kitchen. So in Balghari kitchen today, I prepare all the ingredients. Here I have already cut one chicken, which is almost 800 gram. Here I'm going to use Mr. Chef ghee. Ghee is very healthy in all the cuisine. Baby marrow I already cut. Some carrot I cut already. Some potatoes, green chili, tomato paste, Arabic masala, chicken stock powder, slice of onion, some tomatoes, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper, salt, some coriander leaves for garnish, and here I have water to use for the broth. So keep watching Bulgari kitchen for this full recipe. Don't skip the video. Bread, which I'm going to use for boost. So viewers, let's start our cooking. I already add one pan. Let's make it hot little bit. Then I'm going to add the ghee. Look at this ghee. Once the ghee is hot, onion, saute for 1 to 3 minutes. Chop garlic, ginger, saute together 3 to 4 minutes until it's softened and turning into brown color. So viewers, now our onions are changing color. It's time to add the spices. I'm going to add the spices: coriander powder, turmeric powder, Arabic masala, black pepper, salt, stock powder. Mix nicely together. After cook for 1 to 2 minutes, then I'm going to add the tomato paste. Mix nicely. Wow, nice aroma coming on. So now time to add the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken. Mix the chicken and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, like this way. Look, our chicken is going to be cooked. Cook some more time. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Add tomatoes and green chili. You can use dry lemon as well, but I don't have available right now dry lemon, so I'm not going to use. I skip the lemon part. You can add dry lemon, which give more aroma in this dish. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes are done. So looks our chicken cooked now. So now it's time to add potatoes. Adding potatoes. Mix together with chicken. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Look at this, delicious. After adding potatoes, cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. Now it's time to add the carrots. Add the carrots and baby marrow. If you want to add pumpkin as well, you can add pumpkin also. Eggplant also you can use. So I'm going to use some vegetables like carrot and baby marrow, which we call it kusa also. Now I'm going to add water and cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes until it's done. Look at this, our stew. So viewers, our chicken is almost ready. Look at this. I'm going to add the bread now. Normally you need to make the dough and with flour and salt and water make the dough, and then you make the dough and peel same like bread and put on the top, but I'm going to add this way bread like this, and then cover the lid for another 1 to 2 minutes. So look at this viewers, our chicken marguga emerald cuisine is ready. I'm going to dish out. Wow, it looks delicious. Let's dish out our chicken marguga. Look at that like this. It really looks amazing, delicious with the bread, vegetables and broth. Garnish with some coriander leaves. So our chicken margoga is ready. So viewers, our classic Amarthi cuisine chicken margoga is ready. Oh, wow, it looks delicious, colorful, and delicious. Let me try some. Oh, I will try with some bread. Mm, wow, it's very delicious. You will miss this one if this dish you not make in your kitchen. Very healthy and super delicious. So make this recipe in your kitchen, very easy to make. Just follow the steps and keep watching Bulgari kitchen, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. And in upcoming videos we are going to make another some Arabic cuisine. So keep watching Bulgari kitchen. Wow, looks delicious.